So what are you doing here right now? What do you have to do to prep?
Okay, so right now we're going to take out this section of floorboard. We're going to put a new one. This the veneer over here is lifting. And so we're going to cut out this piece right here. We're going to put a new piece. Right now I'm using it.
It's bubbling up over there,
Can you
right?
see it?
Yeah, yeah.
Track saw over here. Are you filming? This is a track saw. I got this one on Amazon years ago, or eBay. I don't know, it's called Win-Track. Usually like $400 or $500. I think this was like $150, $20. I forgot what I paid for it, but this is very essential for cutting a perfectly square line on your piece of wood that you're about to replace.
So the saw goes in those orange tracks, right?
And it cuts a perfectly straight line.
Remember, always put your goggles on and your respirator protection.
Feel really native, but pretty dusty. I'll show a couple right board. There you go. I didn't think I want it because it's too sharp for the concrete. You want it almost dollar for the concrete. Otherwise it's just
It'll dig in too much.
Yeah.
So how else can you clean the wood up and the glue from the concrete base?
There are no shortcuts, man. You just got to do it. I've tried everything there is, but basically this is the industry standard way to do it. Chisel, hammer, sharp chisel, and you got to take your time.
What's that?